Good morning, Parkland. Welcome to Yoisa's POV. I'm Yoisa Morales, or as some of you may know me, I'm JD. Put on your best shoes and let's get stepping. We're going on a rendezvous looking through Yoisa's point of view. Are you excited for the new year? Here are some healthy new habits for you. Okay, maybe you have heard these 1,000 of times, but the new year is a perfect time to start. First of all, prioritize sleep. Not only will sleep give you the energy you need throughout the day, people can easily tell when you've had a rough night, and trust me, those eye bags are not a fashion statement. Next, find time for yourself, whether it's reading 30 minutes of a book a day, meditation or yoga, or even just a nice long shower and bath. Although I recommend everyone does a little bit of these, I know it gets a little hectic here and there in our lives, but finding some time for yourself will bring you just a little bit of peace. And lastly, value social interaction. Our phones and social media have made it a little bit difficult for conversations in person. Make sure you have a good laugh, as laughing stimulates your organs and is a short-term stress reliever. And with this, another thing to pick up on this new year is practicing gratitude. This will help you appreciate the small things and lead to a happier 2023. There you have it, Parkland. Thank you for watching JD's POV. I'm Yoisa Morales, wishing you the happiest 2023.